This Tumblr post was automatically generated using AI. And I did a quick Google search, and I'm pretty sure that this is the only Tumblr bot that's available online. So we're breaking new ground here. This is very exciting. I don't exactly know if this is what we need, but hopefully for the few who use this bot, we can help refine it down together to give us exactly what we need. So this is the post. It's a beautiful low poly image. There's a giant moon in the background, looks like some ruins. And the post says, amidst the jagged silhouettes of forgotten kingdoms, where low poly shadows dance on ancient stone, whispers of bygone heroes reverberate. The moon, a fractured jewel in a violet sky, peers through pixelated fog, casting enigmatic, you can definitely tell I wrote this, glimmers on spectral ruins that stand as silent sentinels of mystery, waiting to unveil their secrets in the digital dusk. And there's a bunch of tags. All of this generated by AI. A beautiful poem, a beautiful image, some relevant tags. This follows a lot of the posts that we see on Tumblr. And according to SimilarWeb, it gets roughly 158 million visits per month. And this is pretty fascinating to me. 1,000 to 5,000 employees. So Tumblr is a big website. And with a Tumblr bot, we have the possibility to engage with our audience, find a new audience, and expand our reach. So let me show you how to do it. If you already have a Your AI Agent account, you can skip ahead in this video to the Tumblr integration step and then let it play from there. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Head on over to youraiagent.com, enter a name, email address, password, re-enter your password, and then click sign up. It will drop you onto the settings page, and you're going to click Tumblr. Now we need to name our Tumblr integration within Your AI Agent. I'm going to call it My Tumblr Blog. And for the blog ID, you're going to go to Tumblr account, pick your blog, and it's this portion at the end of the URL. So mine is WestGPT. I'm going to copy this and paste it into the input box like so. Then I'm going to hit connect. It takes you to the OAuth screen. Click allow. And when it takes you back to Your AI Agents, it's going to say your Tumblr blog has been connected. You can click OK. Then on the connections page, we can see our new connection right here. We can remove it at any point or rename it. Next, we need some API keys. So click on this tab. And we connect to multiple large language models and image generators. For this example, and the one I've tested the most, and it seems to work the best, I'm going to use GPT-4 Omni. So that's OpenAI. So let's click on this hyperlink. Then create new secret key, create secret key, copy this key, and paste it into the input box like so. If this is your first time using a developer account from OpenAI, go to settings, billing, add a valid payment method, and then credits to the account. Next, I'm going to scroll down, and under Stable Diffusion 3, maybe I should rename this because now we can use Stable Diffusion Ultra, their latest image generator. I'm going to click on this hyperlink. It takes you to beta.dreamstudio.ai, and same thing, you need to purchase credits. $10 gets you roughly 5,000 images. Once you have done that, click the plus button to create a new API key, confirm, and then you can copy any of those keys, confirm again, and then paste it into the input box like so. All right, there we go. Now you're going to click on subscription. And if you don't have an active subscription, you need to click subscribe. It will take you to a secured Stripe checkout page. Your AI Agent is $9 per month. And that gives you unlimited workflows, unlimited AI agents, unlimited Tumblr bots like in this video. If you're an agency, you can connect as many blogs as you want and start posting automatically to each of them. With that out of the way, you're going to land on the home screen and we're going to scroll down and select the new Tumblr bot. You want to select your Tumblr integration from the drop-down box above. I only have one. Now let's quickly read this description. The Tumblr bot combines a theme, style, and mood from your selected lists to generate a unique poetic description and an accompanying image. For example, selecting a theme of nature, a style of watercolor, and a mood of serene may produce a post with a description like, in soft hues of dawn, the forest whispers secrets, where every leaf is a brushstroke of tranquility. Wow, did that give you shivers? Paired with a serene watercolor landscape. Let's click read more. You can choose to manually input up to 30 tags or let the bot automatically generate relevant tags for each post. Posts are scheduled according to your chosen interval with a minimum frequency of hourly and can be further customized with a random posting time toggle to ensure a natural and varied posting pattern. I have a few tips and tricks. Text model GPT-4 Omni and image model Stable Diffusion Ultra works best, although you can do this with any of the image generators we offer or language models. Mixing different styles and moods can create interesting and diverse content variations. Utilize the manual tags option for greater control, automatic tags for ease and consistency. Experiment with posting intervals to find the optimal frequency for your audience, and keep your theme list varied to ensure fresh and engaging posts. Okay, let's start setting up this bot. We need to select our text model. I'm going to keep it on GPT-4 Omni. For the image model, I'm going to select Stable Diffusion Ultra. The language is going to be English. For the posting interval, you can select how often you want it to post. I want it to post every 12 hours. This random toggle will randomize a posting interval between 1 and 168 hours. So that's once per week on maximum and once per hour at minimum. Do you want your Tumblr posts to be published right away or sent to draft? I want them to be published. Now we got the theme selector, style selector, and mood and atmosphere selector. So what's going on in the back end is it is going to write a poetic description using one of the themes that you input here, draw an image in one of the styles that you input here, and to keep it completely random and to keep switching things up, you can also input some mood and atmospheres. So if I put in 20 different themes, 20 different styles, and 20 different moods and atmospheres, it would randomly select one of this, one of this, one of this, generate the poetic description, tags, and image, post it to Tumblr, and then when the next time it comes around, it's going to randomly select another one here, and another one here. So in that example, there is 8,000 different variations that you could have. And even if you did get the same variation, it's going to generate a different text and a different image. So you can definitely set this bot and forget it. Let it run forever. Maybe post one per day till the end of time, till Tumblr shuts down, and you don't have to touch a thing. So the more themes you input, the more styles, the more moods, the more variations you're going to get, the more random your bot's going to be. So I recommend as many as possible. So for themes, let's start with this. I give a few examples here. Let's go nature, fantasy, and history. For styles, let's go watercolor, digital illustration, and low poly. I love low poly images, by the way. I've been really into them lately. For mood and atmosphere, let's go serene, mysterious, joyful. Now we have the option for tags. If I uncheck automatic tags, I can input these manually. This will give you greater control of your bot. Or if you toggle automatic tags, the AI will generate them for you based on the combination of theme, style, and mood and atmosphere it chooses. And it also randomizes how many tags are going to be on the post, anywhere from 3 to 25 tags. All right, now I can click Start Tumblr Bot. It drops you onto the workflows page. I can cancel this Tumblr bot. I can name the workflow for internal records. I can click on the info button and change any of the settings. Maybe I want to change the interval now to once every day. I can add some more themes, remove some. Let's say I no longer want fantasy, and now I want ancient. You can change your styles, add some new ones. Same with mood and atmosphere. Maybe start adding manual tags. But down here, you will see your past post with a link to that post on Tumblr, so you can keep track of what the bot is doing. You can see the upcoming post. That looks to be tomorrow at 10:53 a.m. And if there are any error logs in your workflow, this can help you troubleshoot some common problems. So in the past post, I'm reading it here. Let's click on the link and it takes it to this post. That's a really freaky image. I love it. And it's saying, in a pixelated fog of time's forgotten corridors, echoes of ancient whispers dance upon the digital canvas, Shadows of empires long vanished flicker in binary hues, their stories encrypted within the silent codes of yesteryears. Here in this ethereal matrix, past and present, and this is probably a matrix post, that's why it looks like this. Past and present merge, a spectral tapestry of mystery woven by the silent brush of history's unseen hand. And look at all these relevant tags. If you want to use this AI agent for yourself, I'll drop a link to your AI agent in the description below. If you're curious as to how I build them, and maybe you want to build these AI agents for your own web app or for your own company, I've built and designed an online course called How to Build a Custom AI App. I'll leave a link to this in the description as well. And if you like this video, I put 2 more on the screen right now. Both have been catered to your personal YouTube watch history. Give one of them a click for me, give it a watch, and I'll see you in there. Peace.